Now that we have created both a square and a circle class, I want to point out one thing. And that is that here we are creating instances of objects of type square and circle by using the final keyword. And because of this, the Dart compiler infers the type of the object being created. However, I want to show you something interesting. So over here, I'm going to create a new function, which is going to be void print area. And this will take one parameter of type shape, and it's going to be called shape. And all this function does is to print the shape.area, just like this. So just to be clear, this function takes one input argument of type shape and prints the area of that shape. Now, what we can do with this is to go back to our main function, and here we can replace this line with print area and with passing square as an input. And similarly, here we can type in print area with circle, just like this. And if we want, we can run this code and we can see that the output is the same. So what is happening here is that we have created two objects of type square and circle. However, it is perfectly valid to pass these objects to a function that takes shape as an argument. And the reason this is valid is that both square and circle implement shape. In other words, by defining an abstract class, we are creating an interface and we can write code that uses that interface without knowing anything about the underlying implementation. And this is a powerful concept that can help us writing better code. Okay, so let's continue on the next video.